parties?
Obviously, yes. I guess, as we said, the accusation is being validated more by his actions.
Ano, sir, ano po sa tingin niyo itong agenda nito, sir, and who may
Ano
be
pa,
behind it?
the political persecution of this president.
Sino po kaya, sir, ang nag-i-initiate po nito?
I don't know. You can ask him.
Sir, follow-up lang, sir. Sir, nire-raise po kasi dun sa DFA forum kahapon. Paano naman daw sa hinaharap sa mga susunod na administrations? Ano daw yung assurance na may protection ang mga Pilipino kung wala na naman tayo sa ICC po?
We've never been under the ICC when we removed 3 presidents. Ano ba pinagsasabi nila? I cannot even understand that. Ang titigas ng ulo nila. Anybody can file any complaint against any incumbent official, even this president, after he steps down from office, if he indeed violated any provision of law, he will be accountable. So I cannot understand why those fears are misplaced, if not recklessly advanced. We have a rich history of making presidents, officials accountable in this country.
Danielle? Statute.
As I said, if she does it, that means she is violating the provisions of the Rome Statute. The Rome Statute says when there is a preliminary investigation and or proceeding relative to that, then if this was started prior to the withdrawal of a state party, then the ICC can proceed. But there is no preliminary investigation to speak of, only a preliminary examination.
What is there any sort of cooperation from the Philippine government that the ICC can expect with its plan supposedly?
None whatsoever.
Will there be an official directive to government workers or departments to perhaps instruct them?
We will leave that to the president.